Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change Brawl Stars' age. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, go ahead and open Brawl Stars application on your device. If you are creating a new account and opening the game for the first time, then you will be asked to enter your username and select your age before entering the game. However, if you have logged in previously and now want to change your age, then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the settings option. Tap on that. Now go ahead and find the help and support option and tap on that. You will see this type of interface. Here, tap on the account option and then tap on the messages option on the top right of your screen. Now, under the Contact Us tab, you will see the option for Leave a Message. Tap on that. And now in the text box that appears, go ahead and enter your query and make sure to be informative and descriptive while typing in your issue. After you send the message, wait for a reply from the support team Brawl Stars. So that's basically how you can change Brawl Stars' age. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!